guys, what are we gonna do today? We are going to do this cute round boards, but you could do it on a square board or on a sign. And you're either going to stamp, or we're gonna use this fun template that we have in the video, and we're gonna put them on here. So let's just get started. So I'm just gonna use this little round wood slice, and we have a bunch of them, so it's just easy, but you could use a little board, you could use anything you would like. I use spray adhesive on this. And I'm using this black paper, and it's like a placemat. We also have this in our shop if you can't find something you'd like. The one thing I really like about this paper is it's got a white core in the inside. So that the more I sand, I get kind of a distressed look just from the sanding. Just such a fun project, and it's so fast because you're not painting. I am actually going to take a little more off. Go across the top a little bit, maybe go through the center and see the grain. So in the link, you're gonna get this template. We have him a little bigger and a little smaller. And actually, this image is from a magazine, and it was a women's magazine in the 1800s. And it had a little more behind him, and I took some liberties to take some of that out. And he was actually a pine cone Santa, and they actually showed you how to make a real pine cone Santa. But this is the image we're going to use. And I like the ragged edges, and I just printed it off onto regular copy paper. I'm just going to go around a little ways from him with water. And then rip it. The nice thing with this is it's a copy. If you rip it, you just print another one. Okay, I'm going to lay it on my block and see if I need to rip any more. I think I am pretty good. So same thing, I could use a spray adhesive, but I really find for the top piece, I really like to just use my decoupage medium and use any type of medium that you like using for decoupage. And the last thing I'm gonna do is put some wax on him. Start with my clear wax. And I've used this black paper, and it looks like a little of the black comes off, but it doesn't seem like it's affected anything I've been doing. And I really like using it. It's just a nice weight. On some of the other projects, we actually used off-white paper and just stamped on it and did the same technique, but we used some of my favorite stamps. And then I'm gonna add just a tad bit of dark wax. And you can see how that fills in really nicely where I sanded the black paper. There we go. Okay guys, I hope you found this to be as easy as it really is. So this is the template you're going to be getting for the Santa. This is actually one of our decoupage papers that we carry that are 11 by 17, and it's just full of pine cones and pine branches that you could do the same concept, put it on, very, very cute. And this is from our Indie Folk Art stamp, my IOD stamp, and this is one of the projects in there that I really loved. And all I did is stamp it onto this paper, cut it out the exact same way, and put it on here. But whatever you do, have fun.